So your beautiful baby's born, and now it's time to take home your bundle of joy. Whether your baby comes home from the hospital right away, arrives later after a stay in the NICU, or comes home through an adoption agency, here's how to be prepared for your newborn's arrival home. First off, choose a pediatrician. Expecting parents should meet with their chosen pediatrician before their child's birth if possible. Start compiling your list during pregnancy by asking friends and family, and do your own research to verify credentials and experience. You want the location of your child's pediatrician's office, their hours to be convenient for you and your family, and make sure they're taking on new patients and accept your health insurance. Parents should also discuss any potential special needs or services with their pediatrician before the baby is born. What about a support system? You want to make sure you get the proper help you need in the first few months postpartum. This can't be overstated. Once your baby arrives, you'll be going through a whirlwind of emotions, and it can be overwhelming to balance all the new things in your life, both physically and mentally. Don't be afraid to ask for help, whether it's from your spouse, your friends, your family members, your neighbors, a doula. Assign menial tasks like laundry, cleaning, food prep. And if there are any parent support groups in your area, those are great ways to meet other parents who are going through the same things you are. And a great opportunity to schedule playdates and socialize. When you bring your baby home from the hospital, you'll need to have a safe sleep setup in place. This should be in the same room that you sleep in, but not sharing a bed with your newborn. Put your baby to sleep in their own crib or bassinet, on their back on a flat, firm surface. Don't use sleep positioners like nests or anti-roll pillows. It can put your baby at risk for SIDS. Also, keep crib bumpers, loose bedding, toys, and other soft objects out of your baby's crib. You'll want to install the car seat prior to your baby's arrival. You should also test out the buckles and straps so you know how to secure your baby in it later. You will likely be so exhausted after birth, and fighting with the car seat will be the last thing you want to do. So make sure you know how to use it properly in advance. Now, you might think that installing a car seat is a simple task, but an incorrectly installed car seat is very unsafe for your baby. Follow the instructions carefully and have it inspected by a certified child passenger safety expert before your baby is born to make sure the car seat is secured correctly in your vehicle. To locate a child seat fitting station, call 1-866-SEATCHECK or go to seatcheck.org. Okay, once you've gotten all that done, it's time to have that baby. You're going to do great.